Sonia from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making an antipasto potato salad. So this recipe will also be in my new cookbook, 15-minute meals. So go to my website and check that out, as well as all my other cookbooks, and let me know what you think. And you can also print this recipe off the website also. So let's get started. First of all, I've got 300 grams of Kipfler potatoes. So these have already been boiled and cooled, but you can also put these in while they're still warm because it actually helps to absorb the flavors of all the other ingredients. And you can cut these any way you like. You can leave them whole, totally up to you. I quite often like to slice them or even just cut them in half. Or you could even have a mixture of textures as well. So totally up to you what you prefer. For this recipe, you could even use some pasta as well, cooked pasta, and make an antipasto pasta salad. Okay, so to the potatoes, I'm now going to add some mixed olives, half a jar of mixed char-grilled vegetables, a small jar of artichoke hearts, some chopped up sun-dried tomatoes, and I've also got one char-grilled red bell pepper. So what I'm going to do with this is just tear it into some small pieces and just have a little bit of different sizing and different texture going in there. And while my hands have got char-grilled red bell pepper all over them, I may as well just use my hands to toss this salad. Just combine all those different ingredients and mix through the flavors. Quick and easy. This is perfect to take to a picnic or a potluck, or any time that you're feeling hungry. Just make one of these and it's ready to go. And now it's time for my favorite part, eating. Quick, easy, and so delicious. Give it a try, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Yum.